morning guys. Today I'm going to take a video about my indoor farming in Calgary. That's done by me and my father. So let's go review this. So these are all the plants that are beginning from the seedlings. They have some are tomatoes, some are green peppers, and then these are the spinach coming in the boxes. See, the boxes have been recycled from the Costco stores. The canola oil, and then this is the radish, and this is green pepper. This is radish and some coriander seeds. In the vegetable bed there are lots of radish. We are using these radish leaves as this is also kind of a spinach which can be used for salads or even for spinach salads. And this is the raspberry. We planted it last year and it's healthy and growing. You can see some flowers there, and then we have a few spinach around it. And this is the one, this is the evergreen tree which was given to my kid who was in school when he was first grade, and it took this long to come to this height, and he is now in 6th grade. And we have some blueberry and then spinach around it. This is the strawberry. We planted it this year, and a few flowers in there. And then the raspberry came from last year. It's coming. Blueberry, and we have this big apple tree. This apple tree usually produces fruit, like around thousands of fruits, thousands of apples in this tree. Last year it didn't have anything, but this year there are lots of fruits coming up. This is like a regular sized apple. This one is the strawberry, and then spinach, and then this is the plum, a cherry tree. So this hopefully this year there are lots of cherries. You can see some cherries in here. See, there are some cherry here. We have some onions, beans, some more onions, and this is the plum tree. Hopefully last 2 years it didn't fruit anything, but we have put a lot of compost and good fertilizers this year. Hopefully it will turn out good this year. And then we have some onions and beans, and then this is the one my daughter got it from the school after planting. And then this year, since she's in the 1st grade, she has got that this evergreen tree. Oh my god. And this is the vegetable bed where we have radish in the middle, and then surrounding that is the spinach all over, right? This is all taken care of my father. And then we did these flower beds, the vegetable beds this time. We made 3 of these, and if you buy it in Costco, one bed, like 2 beds are like $150. And you know how much it took this to build this? It just took about $80 in total. And we have carrots and some kale. Kale is growing very fast. Kale is the easiest to grow. And the carrots are coming up. There is a carrots. This is the potatoes. and then some mint leaves, carrots all around. And this is another vegetable bed. It's all broccoli. And then a lot of peas. You know, peas is very expensive. Fresh peas is very expensive in Canada, specifically in Calgary. So this is coming up really good. It's almost like a full-time job to my dad, who is 68 years old, and he's finding it happy to grow all these things. And then these are all radish and spinach all around. And this is what we do in summer here. This year it's been really good, and hopefully we have a good harvest. So this is called a sustaining garden, and you can you can grow your own food, and good for the environment, good for everything. Grass we need to cut every year. It's just grow, pour water and grass. So this is our badminton net. My son did it. He likes badminton. So this is our garden. The last one, the cornermost, it used to be the pear tree, and after the snowstorm it died. So it's coming up. Let's see if it comes up again. Thank you.
Please subscribe, please hit the bell button, please like, please comment down below. Thank you.